Hey guys, today we have our 2024 planner with me. This is my planner designed by me. If I have to show you my transformation, this is where I started with my planning journey in 2019. Planning as in my planner journey, that I have designed my own planner. It started in 2019 with like literally a Bible. This was, so you can see the difference. This is like an A4 size and quite a thick planner. So from the 2019 I have evolved seeing different planners, and finally I have come up with my own planner. So this is how it looks, guys. I mean, I love it, truly beautiful what I can see, but exactly I will show you how it exactly looks in the coming days. I will be putting up more videos about this, but today is just going to be a sneak peek of my planner, as well as I'm going to talk about how to plan your day effectively. I've got a few comments in the previous videos asking me for a sneak peek of my planner. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Smita and you're watching my channel Living in Bengaluru, where I make videos on planning, home reviews, and also everything about Bengaluru. If you do like watching such content, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button below, bell icon just next to it, so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. And with this, we'll start with today's videos. And moreover, now just a sneak peek into my planner. This is how it looks, and you have your vertical planning in this and everything what you need. You have your monthly tabs. All the monthly tabs have been theme based, and depending on each of the months. Slowly coming towards it, I will show you what it is. I find this way helpful. Let me know if you like the vertical sectioning of the planner. So this video is also about planning your day effectively. So planning your day effectively, I will to divide it into two parts, as in how or when to plan, and the second part will be planning it effectively. So first thing is how to plan and when to plan. I would prefer you to plan your day the previous night rather than on that same day morning. That's because when you write down your task the previous day night, your mind is set free and you get a peaceful night's sleep rather than remembering your tasks and then going to sleep. So once you jot it down in your planner, your mind is a little more free. The next thing is a few things that you don't remember, you can always jot it down the next day morning once you get up, wake up, or throughout the day. Whenever you remember something, you can just jot it down. So here now I have given one space for notes for the week, and the whole week starts from Monday. So the week starts from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So you have a whole vertical space for Saturday and Sunday as well. So what I have given here is for you a notes for the week. So if you think there are some tasks for the next week, what you can do is you can just jot it down here. When you're in this week, you jot down your notes for this week, okay, and then you can plan out your week later on once you see these notes. So now coming to the second part, or how to plan your day effectively, depends on person to person. Like, you can be a student, you can be a working professional, you can be a homemaker, a person with kids, or you could be working from home, a freelancer. Men and women have different choices, so see that what works for you the best out of these three options. You can follow that. And another recommendation or a suggestion would be to divide your huge tasks into smaller, simpler tasks. For example, if you think of decluttering your house, you will not know where to start and where to end it. Decluttering a house is not a 1 hour task. So I would prefer you to divide it into smaller tasks, which will take an hour maximum. So the two parts on how to plan effectively is, the first one is how or when to plan. How you plan your day. Now there are three types of planning your day effectively. It could be different on a different day also. Like, for example, if you take me, then it is, I don't get enough time to give, okay, I can't tell I'll finish a task at 10 a.m. and then I can finish it, because I have a baby with me and I don't know what are her needs. So depending on her needs, my time keeps changing. There could be a student who can actually put in time and do the work. So depending on each one of their needs, I have put this kind of a layout. So in that, I have given you three options, like generally how we can do, how you can plan your day effectively. So the first part is dividing your day into important tasks. Like, you need to do it, like you have to do it, there's no other go. So you write your important tasks and preferably color code them, because then you know which are your important tasks, which you need to do, and which are not so important. So these are like important tasks. Yoga is a very important task. Clean the desk is important for today, I need to finish it today, then I write it here. Now this is do it, like you have to do it, but it's okay if you don't do it. It's better if you do it today. So those kind of tasks, you color code it in a different color. And the last part is not so important, but if you get the time, please make sure that you do it. That kind of task, you put it in the not so important. So I've color coded it as red, black and blue. If you don't want to specify time, or you are kind of a person who thinks, okay, morning is my very productive time of the day, and then I'll complete all my important tasks during this productive time. So this is the way you divide your things as important, just do it, and not so important. Now the second option is dividing your day as morning, afternoon and evening. I know I have to finish these tasks in the morning, but I can't give it a time, or I can't give it, say, okay, what's more important, what's not important. I cannot do that because I don't know my baby's needs at that minute of time. So I'm just putting my tasks out here, the morning tasks, a list of morning tasks, which I just do it whenever I get time. Whenever baby needs me, I pay attention to baby, and whenever baby is okay playing by herself and I know, then I do these tasks. Then the noon task, when I'm bored, then I'll feel sleepy, then I start with decluttering, so my hands keep moving, my mind is moving, so I don't feel sleepy, or that's like the boring part of the day. So this is the task that I keep for things that this time is less productive. So I keep tasks that are not so important for me here, and I keep these morning tasks during the productive time, and the tasks that I have to complete in the morning, and a few of my evening tasks that I can do only in the evening and not in the morning. Like for example, kids school work that I can do only in the evening after the kids come back. So then I put it in the evening task list. So this way I divide the day into morning, afternoon and evening, and I put my tasks accordingly without thinking about the time. And the last part, which generally people tell is very, very productive, is time blocking. So you give a time, you block the time for that task and finish that task within the time. So this is time blocking. So I've given you an option of also time blocking your day. So you can, I have given 3 times, 6 a.m., 12 noon and 5 p.m. just because, to give you an idea that you can divide your tasks in different ways, depending on your needs. Like for example, me, I would mix and match these two. Some places I will give the time where I have to do it at that time, and some places I can just divide it into morning or noon or evening tasks. This thing doesn't work for me personally, but these two work for me, and I will generally, you will see me using these two, mix and match kind of thing. But then I know when I put this time here, I know that at that time I have to finish this. So these are the 3 options. So firstly is dividing your tasks on priority level, dividing your tasks by the day, morning, afternoon and evening, and dividing your tasks by time block. So this way you can use my planner in 3 different ways and on different days. Like you can use these 3 ways throughout the week in different ways. You can mix and match, you can use the same thing, or depending on your needs, depending on your flexibility, please do make sure that you change the way you want it. So giving that flexibility, I have designed this planner. Let me know in the comment section, do you like such kind of planning, and how is your method of planning? Let me know which of these is more preferable to you, and let me know if you have liked my planner. In the coming days, I will surely put a review, an unboxing of this planner, and I will give you the whole complete look of my planner. Once this planner launches, I will give you all the links on where you can buy and how you can buy the planner and how much does it cost. Coming soon and launching soon, my planner of 2024. Make sure to keep checking my YouTube channel and my Instagram page. I'll put all the links in the description box below. Make sure to check it out, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to please hit the subscribe button below. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again super soon, guys. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.